So, you're dreaming of cruising in a Mercedes Benz S-Class, huh? That $115,000 luxury sedan, leather seats, and all the bells and whistles. But let me ask you, can you really afford it? Or is it just a financial fantasy? Don't worry, we're about to break it down for you using a little something called the 27-10 rule. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether that S-Class should be parked in your driveway or someone else's. Okay, let's kick things off. First, that Mercedes Benz S-Class costs around $115,000. But no, you don't need to hand over that chunk of cash all at once. According to the 27-10 rule, you start with a 20% down payment. That's $23,000 right there. Not pocket change, but if you're serious about luxury, that's where it begins. But hey, at least you won't be selling your kidneys, right? Next up, financing. You take out a loan for 7 years at, let's say, 9% interest. Sounds simple enough. But here's where the math gets real. That's going to run you about $1,480 per month in EMI. Every single month. Now, before you get excited and start picturing yourself in those plush seats cruising down the highway, here's the kicker. That monthly payment should never be more than 10% of your monthly income. Yeah, 10%. Meaning, to afford this without breaking a sweat, you need to be bringing in $14,800 every month. So, do you have $14,800 just hanging out in your bank account every month? If yes, great! Go ahead and sign those papers. If not, well, let's just say maybe that S-Class stays on your vision board for now. But hey, don't feel bad. Dreams are meant to motivate you, right? And now, instead of just dreaming, you actually know what it takes to make it real. Step 1, build that income. Step 2, find that perfect S-Class. Now you know. Want more financial tips to help you turn dreams into reality? Hit that subscribe button and stick around. We're here to make sure your finances drive you forward, not hold you back. Until next time, dream big, plan smart, and keep the engine running.